I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by exporting the YouTube clip as MP3 or M4A. You need a local file. This preserves quality and metadata. Once done, open Garageband and create a new project with an audio track, not software instrument, so you can import audio directly. Make sure Garageband has microphone permission in System Preferences, because Mac OS requires it even for file imports. You do this now to avoid blockers later. It's faster to import clean audio than to rescue a half-configured project. Drag your exported YouTube MP3 into Garageband and drop it onto its own track. This keeps edits non-destructive. Next, set the project tempo to match the song's BPM so loops and metronome align. If unsure, tap the tempo and adjust. Use Snap to Grid for rough placement, then enable Flex Time to tighten vocal timing or hits without changing pitch. Normalize or gain stage the clip to avoid clipping. Once your audio sits at a healthy level, you're ready to arrange and add effects. When your arrangement is complete, add finishing processing. Gentle EQ to remove mud, compression for level control, and reverb for space. Bus similar tracks to a group for easier mixing. Once balanced, go to Share and Export Song to Disk, choose MP3 or AAC, and pick a suitable bitrate like 192/320 kbps. This preserves clarity for upload. If you hear dropout or no sound, check that tracks aren't muted, master routing goes to output, and the project sample rate is 44.1 kHz.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.